Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Alhamdulillah. I'm your teacher Hina from Black Castle. Today our English topic is written practice of B sound. Today we are going to write B. First you have to mention the date here. What's the date today? You have to mention the date here. And what's the day? You have to mention the day here. Okay, parents, write the day and date here. Now our topic is B says B. B says B. Repeat after me. B says B. B says B. B says B. B says B. B, B, butterfly. B, B, butterfly. Now you can see here, first line of sound is written. B is written. The second one is written in dotted letters. Then we are going to write B sound. What sound is it? B. B says B. First you have to start from the big dot. Then B is down, straight down. Then go up and make pumpty. What sound is it? B. Start from the big dot. B is down, down. Then go up and make pumpty. One more time. B is down, go up and make pumpty. You can write here B. You can put a dot here. B is down. First you have to go down, straight down, then go up and make pumpty. Again, put a dot, and B is down, then go up and make pumpty. What sound is it? B. What sound is it? B. B says B. B says B. B, B, B. B, B, B. B says B. B says B. Now we have done. You can do practice at your home. Jazakallah.